Welcome to our dishwasher showdown. Today, we're comparing two popular dishwashers, the Danby DDW631SDB and the Midea MDF18A1AST. We'll dive into their features, specifications, and what real users have to say about them. Whether you're looking for a compact countertop model or a built-in option, we've got you covered. Let's get started. When it comes to capacity, the Danby DDW631SDB can accommodate up to 6 place settings, making it ideal for small kitchens or apartments. On the other hand, the Midea MDF18A1AST offers a larger capacity of 8 place settings, which is perfect for families or those who entertain frequently. This difference in capacity can significantly impact your dishwashing experience, especially if you often have larger loads to clean. The installation type is another crucial factor to consider. The Danby DDW631SDB is a countertop model, which means it can be easily set up on your kitchen counter without any permanent installation. This is a great option for renters or those with limited space. In contrast, the Midea MDF18A1AST is a built-in model that requires installation under your kitchen counter. While this may take more effort to set up, it provides a seamless look in your kitchen. In terms of features, the Danby DDW631SDB offers essential wash cycles and energy efficiency, making it a reliable choice for everyday use. However, the Midea MDF18A1AST stands out with its heated dry function and additional wash programs, including a sanitize option, which can enhance your dishwashing experience. These extra features can be particularly beneficial for ensuring your dishes come out spotless and thoroughly dried. In conclusion, both the Danby DDW631SDB and Midea MDF18A1AST have their strengths and weaknesses. The Danby is perfect for those with limited space who need a compact solution, while the Midea offers more capacity and advanced features for larger households. Consider your specific needs and kitchen setup when making your choice. If you found this comparison helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more videos.